2017 Ram 1500. It's only got 12,000 miles, guys, on it. It's practically still brand new. It's got a 5.7 liter Hemi. What we got done on it, there's the catalytic converters, there and there. Then it wires into a single 3.5-inch pipe all the way back. Then we put a FLOWMASTER Outlaw, part number 15430. Right there. There's the box of it, but they have a sticker. So I looked it up. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then it's got a Y pipe, part number U6-3. Both of these we'll have a link for you in the description form, hopefully. Then we connected it to the original dual system that comes on these trucks. There's the massive muffler that we cut off right there. And there's the two tips, one there and one there. And we kept the resonators on it there and there. He didn't want it to drone too much, so we kept them on for him. And it's a big horn edition. And like always, guys, please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff for us. Keeps us going. Appreciate it. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, 109. Wow. 109 on the sound distance, guys. That sounds good. Sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. '17 Ram 1500, 5.7 liter with a FLOWMASTER Outlaw. With the resonators on, that Outlaw sounds perfect.